Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a very special Glossybox unboxing. They are celebrating their 10-year anniversary this month, which is crazy because I remember when like the beauty box subscription craze began. It doesn't seem like it was 10 years ago, but I guess it's been 10 years, which is exciting and like, oh my gosh, am I just getting old? So yeah, they have a special anniversary box this month. They did send it over to me to unbox and share with you guys. If you are interested in subscribing to Glossybox, they gave me a special link and code that I will put in my description box where you can get your first box for $1 when you sign up for a subscription. So check it out. This box feels really, really heavy, much heavier than most glossy boxes. Like, I feel like maybe there's something glass in here. I don't know, but I am just ready to dig in. So let's dig in. If you're unfamiliar, Glossybox is a monthly subscription service of beauty products. You get full-size products, deluxe-size products. It just depends on the month. But here's what August looks like. Really pretty box. So this little insert will typically tell you what's in the box, give you more details on the products, but we don't want to spoil it. So we're just gonna hop in and see. It's like Christmas every month, you guys. It's like a little surprise. All right, I'm seeing some really, really good stuff in here. I see exactly what was making the box so heavy. So that's the first thing we'll talk about here. This is definitely a full-size product from Cetaphil. This is their Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. Okay, this is 8 ounces. I didn't know Cetaphil, oh, well, it says new, so I was gonna say I didn't know they made body products. I thought it was mostly just face products. So this is a great brand, especially if you have sensitive skin. I'm pregnant right now, so stuff like this brand is perfect. It says it's for dry, dehydrated skin. There's hyaluronic acid in it. I mean, could this product have been made for me? Quite possibly. There's a little bit of a scent to it, but it's a nice, pleasant scent. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Elemis. Elemis or is it Elemas? I'm not really too sure. This is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. I've definitely heard of this brand before, but I don't think I've tried anything from the brand. So this is a pretty decent size sample. It's 0.5. It's a deluxe size sample. You could probably get a couple of uses out of it. So not bad for a day moisturizer. I'm super excited for the next product in here, you guys. It's by Glow Recipe, one of my favorite skincare brands. This is their Gentle Cleanser, Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It takes makeup off and it deep cleanses. So I'm a sucker for like scented products. I love stuff that smells good. So I'm hoping this one smells like blueberries since, you know. Okay, so it's like a jelly texture. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be liquidy or foamy. There's a little pump on it, which is nice for a sample. So how many ounces is this? 1 full ounce. You could definitely get a few uses out of this. I'm traveling soon, so this will probably be perfect for like a, you know, quick week trip. You could probably get 2-3 weeks out of this even. It smells like blueberry. It's really sticky. Ooh, see how like goopy and sticky that is? I will be curious to know how this works. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Hask. I have tried a few of their hair products before, some of their hair masks, things like that. They tend to be a frequent shopper for a beauty box subscription. So this is the Keratin Protein Smoothing Deep Conditioner. Is it a hair mask or just a deep conditioner? I don't know. Softens and prevents breakage in weak, damaged hair. This says it's supposed to block humidity and frizz, which is perfect when you live in the South and it's humid outside. Okay, 2 more things in here. This is a really good box, you guys. So the next thing in here is by the brand, is it Cobb? Let's see. Yeah, Cobb Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before. So this is a full-size lip oil. Lip oils are huge right now. They are all the rage. So it totally makes sense that this is in here. This is in the color or scent Juicy Melon. It is purple. Interesting, because I would expect Juicy Melon to be like pink, maybe green, but not purple. Nice big doe foot. It doesn't smell like melon. It has a scent. It's fruity, but it's not melony. Okay, let's just swatch it on my hand since I do have some lip product on already. It is a little bit on the sticky side, which is actually surprising for lip oils. Typically, those are very kind of like greasy and oily. This one, getting my makeup wipe. This one is a little bit on the sticky side, so interesting. Wow, this retails for $20, so that's a really good deal. The Glow Recipe is $10, the Cetaphil is $10, and oh wow, the deluxe size sample of the Elemis is $45. $100. The full size is $128. Wow. Okay, so this box is a really good deal. There is one more thing in here before I get too ahead of myself. So these are the Invisibobbles. I've actually always wanted to try these and I just haven't. So this comes with 3 little ones right here. These are hair ties, if you aren't familiar, and they're supposed to like not leave a crease in your hair supposedly when you put your hair up. So I don't know. And then you can do like the high, like cute pony on top of your head with a little Invisibobble, and they're supposed to stay put but not leave a crease. So these retail for $8. $8 for 3 of them, and I've seen these at like Sephora, I mean all over the place. So yeah, this definitely was a good box. Typically anniversary boxes are pretty good, like the best of the best. So this was well worth the money, the cost of the box. Lots of, you know, full-size products, deluxe size products. I think I'm most excited for the glow recipe, but let me know what you guys are most excited for in the comment section down below. And again, if you want to subscribe and get your first box for $1, check out my description box. But otherwise, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!